So let's take a look at our first example. If we want to find the perimeter of this semicircle, which is half a circle, we can imagine we had the whole circle. Now we can identify what this 6 meters represents. Does this 6 meters represent the radius or the diameter of the circle? Exactly, it's the diameter. So what we can do is we can find the circumference of the whole circle. So we have C is equal to pi times d, and then substitute d for the diameter, which is 6. So now we get 6 pi. But we only have half the circle. So we just found the circumference, which is the distance around the whole circle, but since we only want half of the circle, we're going to need to divide this circumference by 2. So let's make another formula for what our perimeter is going to be equal to. Our perimeter is going to be equal to my circumference divided by 2 plus this diameter, because the little man has to walk around half the circle and then across it. So then now we have 6 pi divided by 2 plus 6. Now if we take a look at this fraction here, we can actually simplify it, because this is actually like saying 6 over 2 times pi. And so we can just look at the fraction portion, and 6 over 2 simplifies to 3. So we have 3 times pi, which is just 3 pi. So we get that the circumference is equal to 3 pi plus 6. So now we can use our calculator to figure out what this is equal to. And what's great about that Desmos app that I asked you guys to download is that we can actually punch 3 pi plus 6 right into the calculator. So when we do that, see how we get the answer of 15.4247776, and that would keep going, right? So we could round this answer to the nearest 2 decimal places, and so we would have to look at the 2 numbers we want. We can now look to the right. This is less than 5, so we're going to keep this at 15.42 and meters, and this is rounded to 2 decimal places.